Love you all. So basically मुझे time limited मिला है. So I have less time. So let's utilize the time, right? Okay. So first of all, I would like to thank you, our founders, Datu Shri and Jabadas, Chief, all the V partners, and my clients. You know why? Because this was the dream. You know, I saw one day to be here, and my dream came true. I still remember my first week-on. Seriously, I was sitting there, on the top, in 2015. And I thought, inshallah, one day I'll be here. And today, I'm very nervous, trust me. Because, you know, it is my dream, it was my dream, and this came true. Okay, so let me tell you all about myself. My name is Mohammad Naeem, and I come from India. I live in Dubai now, but I come from India. And if I talk about my background, I come from a very humble background, okay, from a village, okay, and my father is a primary government teacher, and my mother, she's housemaker. She used to take care of our house, and we are siblings, so big family. And seriously, I have seen my parents working hard. When I was young, I was not, I didn't understand what is the hard work they are doing it. But I see them working very hard. And I'm an elder son, so they had, the expectation from me that, one day I'll do something in my life. But trust me, I was not good in education, and they were expecting me to do something in education. And I was not good in education. And I saw my mother, father, struggling with the money part, with the finance part. Because a primary teacher gets enough salary where he can take care of his, he can bear the expenses, but cannot do much. But when I see others, I used to think, why we don't do, full-fledged. And I have seen my mother, father talking about the money all the time, trust me. And that time I used to think, why they do this? Why everywhere they go, they cut the, money? Why all the time they are telling that, don't waste money? For small thing I have seen this. And there I used to think, one day I will do something good in my life where, we will not face all this problem. And then the time going on, I was in 10th standard. Before 10, I was not knowing what they were talking at my home. But when I was in 10th standard, I got to know that what is the talk in the house basically. So they were expecting a shoulder where I can, I can get a job, and I can help my father to bear the expenses. Then I realized, I need to do something in my life, but the time has gone because I was not good in education. So at my place in India, when you don't have good marks in 10th standard, so your door closed, you cannot do good in, you cannot go in the sector you want to go, like. So anyhow, my father managed, and I did nursing, so I became a staff nurse, right? And there I worked little bit, I worked hard, and I got my job. The job my father was expecting, I managed anyhow, and I got a job. And everybody in my house, in my home, they all were very happy that I got a job. But what was my salary that time? It was 3,000 rupees, that is INR, near about $40 US. So I went to my job for near about 22 days, and I realized that 3,000 INR is nothing basically. You know, 3,000 तो मैंने 22 दिन में खर्च कर दिए थे आने जाने में. 3,000 I spent it for the transportation, eating, breakfast, lunch, dinner. So I realized in 22 days that in 22 days I have spent 3,000. So how I'll do it? So I thought, okay, this is not the, everybody is talking to get a good job, basically a government job. I made it and I realized it. That in 22 days I realized that, this is not the way I can be somewhere. So I without telling to my father, I left that job. I came home, I told that I want to move to a big city basically, a metro city. So from village to metro city. And I moved to Delhi from my place, and there I realized a lot of things. Trust me, I come from a background where हम घर में ना चम्मच को चम्मच बोलते हैं, right? So we say spoon, we pronounce it in Hindi basically. When I moved to a bigger city, I realized, the people in the city, they are very fast. They know many things, and I was way behind it from them. There I realized that, even though I was having a government job, I tried to do something good in my life, but I am way behind them. There are a lot to achieve. And there I realized that I need to work hard. And then I started working hard. I was the person left a government job and got a private job. So from 3,000, I moved to 4,500, which is not, too much basically. It's just few dollars, right? And that job I did it for like 3 to 4 months, where I realized I need to upgrade in my profession. So, okay, if I can upgrade myself in my profession, and if I can get extra money, no problem. So I did one extra diploma in my field. So just thinking, if I do this diploma, I can move to the, I can go out from India, and then I can get good salary. So this extra diploma will help me to get extra salary. So I did that diploma, and during that diploma I struggled a lot. But anyhow I managed, because I told my father that I don't need your money now, because it is what my own decision, and whatever the expenses is, I'll bear it, but I will do this diploma. So I did the diploma, and by the grace of God, I was working hard because the background I had, there was no option that I don't take it seriously. So I took it seriously because the background I had was not good, right? So I worked hard, and by the grace of God, I got a government job. And the job I got is the top job in my field. Basically, nursing field, you become a central government employee. Then there is nothing beyond that, basically. Then the promotions, right? So at the age of 21 and a half, I got my central government job. And how much amount I was getting, I was getting near about $650 US, that is near about 50,000 INR. Dream come true. I thought I made it, trust me. And there was celebration at my home, India में, अरे लड़की की नौकरी लग गई तो लड्डू बांटेंगे, right? तो लड्डू भी बांटे. So they distribute sweets and all, everything. The ritual basically we did it. But and I still remember the day, I had a call from with my dad, Papa ke saath baat hui, and he said that, now you got a job. So what I was thinking, I tell you first. So I thought, see, I will get near about 50,000 INR, so I will send near about 20 to my father. I will take 30 with me, so I can fulfill everything. That time, having iPhone was, a big thing. So I used to think, see, I will have one iPhone, trust me. And I still remember in my room, I used to put a cooler, right? It was safe. So we shifted from, table fan to ceiling fan to cooler, and I used to think Delhi is very hot. So I thought, one day when I'll get a job, I'll put aircon. So I was dreaming like that. I was preparing my mind like that. And in central government, See, in India, this is the system. When you get a job, a central government job, you will get your first salary in 3 months. Okay, after 3 months, you will get your salary. So I was just dreaming for 3 months the amount of money I will have and what I will do. And trust me, I got a call from my father. I still remember the day and the time. He said, listen, नहीं, एक काम करते हैं, तुम इतना घर पे भेज दो, इतना तुम रख लो. So just he said, this much of money you send me. So he flipped it up. Okay, so he said, you keep it near about 15 to 18,000 and rest send it to home. So it was not good. I was not feeling, I became arrogant when I got a job. See, I worked hard, I got the money, and now my father is telling me to, break it down like that. Okay, anyhow, I said, okay, done. So I started sending money, and things was going on. I think it was in 2009. So I went to job for near about 6 months. I realized all my seniors in my job, they are doing same from last year. Their age is 55 basically. And all the time they used to ask me, okay, Naeem, you are young. Can you do my night shift? And I used to think, see, at the age of 55, they are telling me, because I was young, not married, having a good time, so they used to exchange their duties with me. So in some time I realized, at the age of 55, 57, they are doing like they cannot do evening shift because back home their kids, they are waiting, right? And they cannot do night shift because they have to be there with their family. So there I realized, this is what my future is. So I said, no, I cannot. I need to do something else. But what to do? There was nothing to do basically because the job I was doing was the highest job. Now I have one option. Yeah, I can go outside of India. But that time, I got a government job. My father was, I didn't spoke to my father, but I know he will not be agree with this. So I started doing, I thought what to do. I need to do something else apart from this job. And my age was 22 at that time, just 22. But I thought even sitting at home, घर पे बैठ के सोफा तोड़ने पे पैसा नहीं आता है. That was my thought basically at the time. कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. I need to do something. And there was no idea because my father is a teacher. We don't have the business background, right? So that I can apply my mind and I can think, okay, I do this. So what I do, what I saw. So I thought, okay, let's do one business. Now I understand what is the business. Not that much, but little bit, right? So what I thought, okay, let's do food business, right? Tiffin center चलाते हैं, food packet, right? So I called one of my friend and we sat down and I said, your brother is free, just tell him to help me so we can start this tiffin center. So we'll distribute the food. So I will go to job, I'll come back and then we will do this together. I did it for 6 months. We started well, and from that we got this opportunity to get a tender of the hospital. So I got a canteen tender, okay. So the hospital I was working, the same hospital, we took the canteen tender, okay. And we did it well there. For 3 years I ran the canteen, my job. So from 3,000 to 4,000, 4,000 to 50,000. Now I had my tiffin center. Now I have my canteen, but no money in the pocket. No money. So what to do? Still my mind was, I was thinking need to do something. Still everything is same. There is no aircon. There is no iPhone. Life is same. Nothing changed. The only thing is that I was keep sending money to my father. That was the relation I had. Apart from that, nothing. Then I realized I need to do something in my life again. What to do now? So I opened one coaching center. Where we used to teach people how to prepare for a government job. I did it for 9 months. I realized, okay, no, this is not the platform I need to be there. I need to do something else. Every night I'd sit at my night shift, I used to pray to God, is there any opportunity where I can work hard and I can upgrade my life? Because I come from a village where to get a train, we need to travel 2 hours from a bus. We don't have that, that big hospital, big road, big transportation, nothing. It's just a small village. So if I need to get everything, this cannot be done through this. So one day I sat down, I thought, okay, whatever money I have, I need to go for a restaurant. So in 2014 I opened my own restaurant. So see, from 2009 to 2014 I was doing this and doing my job also, both parallel. So from 6 o'clock I wake up, 7 o'clock I get ready, 8 o'clock at job, 3 o'clock come back, and then start my restaurant. And at what time I come at some time 1, 2, and then sleep 4 hours, carry on. I did it for 1 year, no money in the pocket. So 3,000, 4,000, 50,000, tiffin center, coaching center, canteen, restaurant, nothing in hand. Still same. And even now there is a debt because I put it near about 60,000 US dollar in my restaurant with the big hope that one day, inshallah, this will give me big money. But the story is reverse now. Every month I have to put in my restaurant because I was not having a business background where I can think, okay, if this is the new business, new venture, this will require extra money. Like I put in 60,000 US dollar, which is near about 50 lakh. तो मेरे पास 10-15 लाख और होने चाहिए to survive for 1 or 2 years. But I was not having because I didn't carry the business background. And things getting started worse. At that time I got married. And trust me, when I get married and we all like we say about the sun and moon, but I was not able to talk because there is no money in the pocket. Still in the same place, everything same, nothing changed. No vehicle, nothing. And then I used to realize, every day I used to think, what to do now? What to do? Every night I used to sit and think, what is left basically? And every single day there was some idea in the mind, how I can uplift myself. What the scenario I saw at my home, because I learned ABC in 6th standard because I come from a village. When I moved to big city, I realized, they say spoon, chammach ko spoon bolte hain. Then I said, cannot be done, this cannot be done. I need to do something. And every night I used to pray, God, is there any something where I cannot put my money and I can work hard? Only. Because money, whatever I had, whatever resources I had, friends, loan, bank, everything, anything I tried. Now no money. Without money, if anything, any opportunity, I'm ready to do this. I was open to go anywhere to do something. I used to think, you pay me 1,000 rupees for one night, put some injection, put some medication, I can do that. But I need money to change my life. And now one more added responsibility, which is my wife. What to do? There, one fine day, one of my good friends spoke to me about this business. He said, bro, you are running from 6 to 12, still you are same. I see you from last many years, you are same. So, I said, what you are doing? You are also same. But he said, I have started something. And I lost my control. I said, okay, tell me right now. Because I was desperate to come out from that life where I was putting near about 2.5 lakh every month from my pocket. So the salary I used to get, I put in my restaurant. And even I take from my friends to put in my restaurant so that I can make it properly, right? The monthly cycle. So he said, okay, sit, we'll talk. So I went for the presentation. Okay, and my brother Surinder, he called me up for the presentation. I went there. I saw the plan, and then and there only I said, okay, I want to do this business. You know why? Because they were talking about the dollars and the INR. They said it is 9.25 lakh rupees in a month, in a week. I said, okay, done. Even I made 4 times in a week, right? After 5 years, so that's okay for me. So that I can repay my money, I can continue my life. Simply, I don't want big dreams, big things. I just put my effort to make my life good, but the debt is 50 lakhs now. So I said, अरे सब छोड़ो यार, एक बार 4 बार मिक्स हो जाते हैं, पैसा कमाते हैं और जिंदगी में अपने कहीं साड़े हो जाते हैं. Seriously, that was the thought. And I said, yes, I want to do this. But no money. Because to start this business, I need to have some money. So anyhow I arranged because I saw, see, 50 lakhs or 3 lakhs, a big difference, right? So I can have a risk, I can put a risk for 3 lakhs. I started today. In 3 days, everybody, like someone whispered in my ears, where you are, what you started. You should ask me first. One of my friends, he said like that, and I'm gone. So I was not coming for association for 6 months. 6 months no association. After 6 months, life is still same. So I've tried anything and everything, but life is same. There I realized I need to do something in my life. But then I realized that I have something in my hand, but I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Then I said with my friend, I said, okay, see, I don't like lakhs, crore, this and that. Just tell me how to make 50 lakhs, which is near about 3 checks. 50,000 basically, which is 3 checks. Just tell me this. If I earn some amount from my job, some amount from this business, I can repay my loans and life will be good. He said, okay, start. I started it was not tough because I wake up at 6, I sleep at 2, and I need to give 3 hours to this business also. From where? But I thought, okay, let's go. I need to figure it out. So I figured it out. I started putting some time in between, but it is tough. Every time I go to association, I cannot focus to read the books and to show the videos. It's all there, how to run my restaurant, how to arrange money this month to pay the rent and everything. It was not easy. It was every day it was tough. And then I came for VCon. I still remember September 2015 VCon. And I went, when I was sitting as a participant there, I realized, day one, it was like, I thought, okay, this is the platform I need to do, and I had everyone here. Chief dream session I had, I realized everything what happened in my life. I realized, I said, okay, this is what I have to do now. Sincerely, I went to home, I started putting my effort, but every day I need to think how to pay rent for my restaurant. So I had only one thing. Morning, evening, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. I need to shut my brain. I need to just focus about this business. For entire 1 year I did it. And after 1 year I saw, I can make near about 3-4 checks every month. There I realized, yes, this is the business I need to carry on. The next challenge was to repay my loans. But when I see if I can make 4 checks in a month, inshallah, this will grow up. And I was keep going. It was not easy, but I know I need to come out from these things. And I see, I have worked from 2009 to 2016 for 15. I didn't make money, I just spent money. But I started a business. 1 year I started making near about 4 checks in a month. I said, that's it. And I was, with the help of my friend, I was keep going. It was not tough, but I was keep going. And I still remember, I attended VCon, and I started, I was keep growing business. With the help of my client, I was making money. And there, after 2 years, I realized, I don't have any debt now. I have paid everything. I sold out my restaurant. I fired my job, trust me. I didn't need to give the resignation, trust me. I didn't inform that I will not come. See, I want that business, that life which can give me good life. I don't want any business which cannot give me good life. And I still remember I traveled to 3 countries. I made money, my mindset grows, I started think positive. And Alhamdulillah, by the grace of God, today I see, like 7.5 years, I have done some camps, some events. And today I see the life I have is altogether different. I studied in a government school where I learned ABC in 6th standard. My daughter, she go one of the best schools in Dubai. So I just want to thank you, Datu Shri, Japadas sir, Chief, or the V partners to create this wonderful platform where a person like me from nobody became somebody in this business.